is Adar Joshi for the 5th period in math, and now we are going to learn the areas of different shapes, mainly parallelograms, triangles, and trapezoids. So let's see here. Area of a parallelogram. A parallelogram is a four-sided, two-dimensional shape in which opposite sides are parallel and have equal lengths. An area of a parallelogram is base times height. In this example, it shows how the height is labeled like this and the base is the bottom, and they should always be perpendicular no matter what shape it is. But don't get confused just because this dotted line is excluding this part. You should not get confused that these two have to be split from each other. It will always remain the same base. So here this A equals base times height. So here it's telling us to find the area of this parallelogram. So here it's saying 10.3 as the height and 8.6 as the base. So here you would do 8.6 times 10.3 and that equals 88.58. But then you have to add the symbol afterwards. So it would be meters squared, not cubed, not anything else, only squared because we're talking about area. So that would be 88.58 meters squared. Area of a triangle. A triangle is a two-dimensional shape with three sides and three angles. The area of a triangle is 1/2 times base times height, or base times height divided by 2. In this example given here, it shows that the height is 10 centimeters and the base is 11 centimeters. So looking back to this, it says A equals 1/2 times base times height, or you could do base times height divided by 2. It depends on what you like. So here, the area would be area equals 1/2 times base times perpendicular height. So that would be 11 times 10, and that equals 110, and 110 divided by 2 would equal 55, and the symbol for that would be 55 centimeters squared. Area of a trapezoid. A trapezoid is a four-sided, two-dimensional shape with two parallel sides. 2. Area of a trapezoid is 1/2 times base 1 plus base 2 times height. As shown here, it says A equals 1/2 times base 1, which is here referred as A, plus base 2, which is referred here as B, times height. Also, it will always be parallel from each other. So the bases would be never meeting each other. The height would be meeting each other. But that would not be the height. These, don't get confused with these. You always have to make a perpendicular, like you should get a right angle and then that would be your height. So here, this is a question that they want us to solve. So this is, what is the area of this trapezoid shown? So first you would do base 1 plus base 2 as it is in parentheses. So that would be 6 plus 12 and that equals 18. So then you would do 18 times 4, which would be, okay, anyways, my bad. You can do 18 times 4 and whatever answer you get, it would be 1/2 that. So you divide that by 2, or you can multiply by 1/2 and you would get 36 centimeters squared. Sorry about that breakout. Summary. All in all, today we learned the areas of a parallelogram, a triangle, and a trapezoid. Below is a chart showing formulas for a quick reference if you need it. Area formulas. Area of a parallelogram, A equals BH. Area of a triangle, A equals 1/2 BH. Area of a trapezoid, A equals 1/2 times B1 plus B2 times height. And you always have to do B1 plus B2 first. Then you can do the other two in whatever way you like. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.